Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, y'all, to another stream, another trading video. Y'all already know what time it is. Time to get this shmoney, right? So, I know if you've been following me, you already know I trade gold. So, if you're new here, just know that I trade gold. But if you want me to ever pull up a new chart of a different currency pair or whatever, I can do that. Everything that I do here on gold, I could do on any other chart. Okay, so let's talk about it real quick. I want to say my apologies to my thick squad for yesterday. Monday I wasn't here. I had an emergency, so I had some things I had to really take care of, so I wasn't able to jump on the stream. Right, so yeah, my bad on that, guys. I know I've seen the moves that we had now that I'm looking at the markets, and I've seen the moves that we had since from yesterday, which was pretty good. But and we, of course, we would have caught those moves, but I had some things I had to really take care of, right? Because that's just life. Okay, so let's get to trading. Let's get to the bottom of it. Let's get to it. Let's see what we got going on, right? Look here, look, you guys. let's go back. You got to go back in time. So let's go back a little bit in time of what's going on. What did we have down here? We have. Let's zoom this. We're on a 15-minute. Let's go to a higher time frame for one. I did check the news, and we do not have news. Well, we do have news, but we don't have high news. Okay, we have some orange folders, but we don't have red folders, so we should be good for the day for regular trading. All right, look at what we're doing on a bigger perspective. We are what? We're basically have more downside movement. Okay, we got more downside movement to the downside. Look at all of the insufficiency that's happening below. And also, we're not even 50% of this wave with the coming down for the bears. All of this is the bull market, and this is the bear market right now. So we need to fix this. This market isn't equal. It's not, it doesn't have an equilibrium just yet. You know what I'm saying? Because all of the bulls ate, but the bears only got so much, and they want an equal market, right? That's how they have to make it equal. Okay, so with that being said, if you could see what we got going, we got high, low, high, low, high. We broke two high lows already, right over here. So this trend has now changed from here where we're kind of going into a bear market over here, right? Also, let's just look at the daily real quick. If you're looking at the daily, because what we're getting ready to do is, this is where the real sauce is going to be. Just looking at the daily and seeing what the daily has going on. What is the daily doing? Well, we have our all-time high sitting up here at 24.84, right? But look at what's happening. We have some insufficiency here, but we have like a lot of buyers in this market, and below that we have these lows here, these lows here. We have insufficiency in price sitting right here. All right, we have this insufficiency in price right here. We can move down. Gold can move down. Now let's look at real quick DXY. Let me see what DXY talking. All right. Now this is going to let us know if we can move down. The chart below. All right. As soon as this chart loads, let's see what we got going over here. All right. Even without the chart loading, just seeing what I'm seeing right here, we have this here. Double top right there. That's money. This right here, wick, that's money. So DXY is more moving on a what? Upside, right? We got DXY moving up. Well, if that's the case, and there's a lot of slippage and liquidity sitting above, we're going to aim for that liquidity. All right. If we're wrong, then she will break the lows, and we'll aim for bottom liquidity, right? Because you can press the button as many times as you want, right? We don't just, press the button one time. We can press it as many times as we want. If I want to press it 10 times, I can, right? But if I'm going in the wrong direction, I can press the button to go in the right direction. It's just that easy. Don't think and get caught up in the fact that if you're wrong, oh, I can't trade no more. No, wrong, fix it, figure it out, and realize why the market is turning on you. That's what you're going to do. And then hit the button. Don't be timid. Okay? This market is not for the weak. You got to have a strong mindset for this market. Look at DXY. Look at this gap sitting right here. Y'all see this gap? Look. I've already marked it. Here it is. DXY definitely would have to come up some more. It's like more say gravitating towards this dollar sign, insufficiency in price on the daily. She can continue to keep going up. Let's see if we can find where she turned around down here in the insufficiency that she dipped into down here. Let's see if we can find out where or what made her turn around. Slippage. See this? See this slippage dipping into insufficiency in price, right? And then not breaking lower. Didn't even really feel it. We still got some money sitting down there, right? And then what? Filled it by coming up, filling it, coming up some more. Not necessarily, I mean, we can say this is an institutional candle, but I don't like to say unless she took liquidity above, like over from the next wave over here. She didn't take these guys. This is not an institutional candle. Do not play off of this like a sell. Don't play a sell off of this institutional candle. I would skip that one and I would go further up to the next one. I would choose this institutional candle, took some wicks, took some liquidity, and then reverse. Buy the sell move. I would take that one versus this one. This one will fool you, and you would think you would have to sell up in this area, but you're not going to get the sell just yet. You're going to get the buy. So if that's the case, then gold has to most likely move to what? The downside. So this is why I'm thinking sells on gold. And it does make sense to me, but there is that liquidity sitting on DXY that's sitting above. But look at gold. Now let's look at gold. Gold has liquidity sitting above too. So gold could come up and snatch that liquidity. DXY could turn around and go and grab lower liquidity so that gold can rise. But that's on a higher time frame. But you have to keep that in mind and see that, okay? All right, so let's see what else we got. If it load up fast enough. It's really easy to see if gold is going to go up. We have to go down to the lower time frame to see it, like a 1 hour time frame or 15 minute, 30 minute, down there. All right, so I think we're like on, okay, we're on a 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. And let's go and check and see what's happening. Are we going to get that turnaround? What do we have? Well, let's look here. We still have this wick here that did not get hit. They pushed up into it, got as close as they could, but they left a little teeny weeny bit. right? They left that, so we'll mark it because we see it here. All right. Then let's see. There's insufficiency above. So there's a lot going on above. So this is what makes me want to look at the buy side. This is what makes me look at the buy side because of all the slippage that they created here. All right. Now, this also can get you to make you think that this is the buy side. One reason is because when they came down and turned around, here is where they mitigated out of, right here. This, I'm looking to see how far up they wanted to go. Some people might have played off of here, this 1 hour institutional candle to the downside, but you can see they would have got hit. They would have got something off of it, but they would have got hit because it got above this. So let's let this go. And this one, those are gone. Those guys are out. And let's mark it. Here, they're out, and here, they're out. Okay? These guys, there's still money sitting here. All right? Still money sitting there. But look at what we have below. We haven't marked this. Let's mark this up. What do we see? Insufficiency, slippage here, right? This slippage here and this candle, this bullish candle. This was also catching my attention. So again, I always tell you guys on stream, understand what's happening above and also understand what's happening below. You need to have a bias. If we're wrong, we want to know why we're wrong. If we're right, you want to know why you're right. All right, so let's mark this insufficiency in price here and this one here. Come on, it's taking a little minute. The computer is still doing the most right now, so just bear with me. YouTube said everything is excellent right now, so don't understand what's happening there, why it's freezing. A little bit too much for me to make a move. It keeps freezing up on me, but it's all right. We'll work through it. Okay. Let's talk about the fact that we have this P&L right here. All right. So this is where I was thinking that market could turn around at after giving that nice little push, right? If when I go down to the 5 minute, you'll see in just a second. But this made a certain move that I actually like to look for, and it's telling me I'm trying to find that sniper position and where market could turn around at, so we can get a little sniper position. But I seen the position was late. It happened already for my sniper position, right? Taking the highs, X, then I would have been like, all right, let's get in for sales up here. So now I'm thinking we're still selling because we got liquidity below, but we're a little late, but we can still get in and just use some proper risks, right? So this is why I have a P&L sitting right here for sales. And this is what I'm thinking. So, yes, drawdown is expected, guys. Drawdown is expected. Let's see, 27. It's actually 27, but it is 26. They gave me 27, though. I got in at 27. At 2407, my bad. 2407. That's the price that I got in at, 2407.94. So I kind of got it a little high, which is have me in profits, but I'm still thinking that this market can still come down to the downside. And here is the setup on the 5 minute. Oops, 5 minute. Where's the 5 minute? Oh, here's the minutes. You want to go to 5 minute. Where's my minutes? Okay. Oh, I should have had my coffee. I should have brought my coffee up here. All right. So check it. We're looking at the 5 minute right now. Do you see why I say I want to sell? Look at how this setup looks. Right here. Nice accumulation area. Nice manipulation area. Then we're going to go into distribution. Right? AMD. That's what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing a straight AMD schematic happening. So I want this market to come back down to 2400, even come possibly back down to 2395. But let's talk about the 2300. Didn't I call that Friday? I said I wanted market to come back down to 2300. I called it. I soldier boyed it. I think you can go back and check that stream. Friday, I called those numbers. All TPs were smashed on Friday. We did that Friday. So I'm going to call it again. We got to come back down to 2400. At least give us, let's see, what's our TP? TP is at 70. Now we want it at like 60. All we need is like 60. Right? Anything else is extra. And we'll go break even, all that. But right now, look at how this is and how this peak went. They took the top. They didn't take the bottom. Where do you think they're going to go? They go tops first, and now they're going to go bottom. Let's go. We're going to hold out. We're going to hold out right here. Okay. We're going to hold out right here. All right. So this is where I'm thinking that we could still come down more versus pushing to the upside. So we do have, like I said, these guys were taken here, right? And we have some stuff over here as soon as this computer loads, right? I have pretty good fast Wi-Fi too. My internet speed is quick. I'm just not wired in. My mom works from home too, so she's more say wired in. I'm over here at her crib right now. All right, let's go. Let's see. Look at this insufficiency in price sitting here. Then they're showing us that we have insufficiency in price on a higher time frame, and it's supposed to be somewhere up in here. But if I was to narrow this down, I would take it straight to here. It slickly did it, right there. See what I just did? Right there, there's a gap. They're sneaky. They will put a gap in a spot and it looks like it's covered. But I got good eyes. I could see it's not covered. That is a gap. That is slippage, right? Then there is more sitting right here. This is slippage. So I'm wanting them to, really pretty much just come more say to the downside, right? Let's just keep this pattern going. If this plays out, right, it should start more say coming down to the downside. By moving slow like this, I like it. Slow market, grow. If it's slow to grow. right? Like this is push, 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 fast, 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 fast. It won't last, and then we got slow. It'll grow to the downside. So maybe we'll still get this. You know what I'm saying? This is the little setup that I have for the group. If you're in my Telegram group, make sure you go check that out. The link is in the description below. I'm on here Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Okay. I do have an Instagram. You can contact me on Instagram at Mo Diesel. All right. You can see it at the bottom of the screen, Mo Diesel, spelled just like that. Right. I want to thank everybody that's coming to my page and subscribing to my page, y'all. For real, y'all are the real freaking MVPs. Coming here, watching me do my thing. Feel me? All right. And I'm here to help anybody, man, that needs some help. Listen, I ain't trying to pull nobody down. I'm here to help whoever need help with their trading, right? I'm gonna let you know that a lot of things that I'm saying that I have said on my streams, if you go back and watch them, I've said little things here and there. But if you accumulate all those little things, it's something big that I am saying, right? You just gotta go and get it. I already dropped the jewels. Go back and listen. Go back and watch. Go back and write that stuff down. Go point it out, right? So I'm here to help you. I've already helped a lot by coming on here and showing you guys the setups and explaining you my psychology behind the setups, right? Now, I do see this insufficiency here. That's okay. We're going to get slippage. Remember, they need footprints to come back to. They don't just always feel it immediately. They'll slip and they'll come back later on. We don't know how long that later is, though. It could be right next second come up. But it's always later. They will come back and feel this 9 times out of 10. Okay? So, you know what 9 times out of 10 mean. But anyway, so we're still looking pretty good. Let me just go here and let's just adjust some things. Because at this point, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, we can actually clean up this chart. Because this chart has done amazing things and it's done a lot so far, so we can go ahead and clean this bad boy up, right? And just take care of some things that we don't need on here that's just sticking out like a sore thumb. Now, I'm not going to get rid of my P&Ls, you know what I'm saying, those old positions, because I like to go back and view things that I've talked about in the past, right? Those old positions, right, on how I got those positions and you know, my thought frame behind them and why they played out, right? Not like seriously, also 9 times out of 10 my positions will play out. All right, I'm that confident. I know this market like the you could say the back of your hand, back of my hand. Yeah, I've read the book so many times I can goddamn rewrite the book. That's what I mean, right? But anyways, guys, yeah. So here we are. We're back down into this price zone, 2406, which is pretty good. I told you I got the price 2407.94. So that's like up here at this line, right? Like right here at this line somewhere. Let's see. What is it? 8494. I mean, I probably can like adjust this line to be right on cue or something like that. Can I do that? Well, 9-2 is fine, right? Right here. This is where it's at. That's fine. It's like 2 clicks off, right? So let's see. Oh, they gave it to me here. Style. I need the coordinates. Yeah, there it is. I know I can get exact. I'm gonna get exact where my price is sitting, so we can work on that. All right, that's what we're gonna work out. Boom, that's where she's sitting. Okay. Listen, guys, the turnaround is happening right up in this area. When she's going to push, 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 when they're buying, 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 they were actually selling, selling, selling. They have to hedge themselves into position. Okay, that's how banks move. That's how big boys move. That's how these big institutions move. They have to hedge themselves into position. Write that shit down. Right? Hedging themselves into position. So for you to think to buy this market, you know, you can think to buy it. You're not wrong to thinking to buy it. This market is a buy and a sell at the same time. You're not wrong for that. You're too early though. You feel me? You're just too early. That's all. Not wrong, just too early. All right. Man, I want to thank all y'all, man. Y'all been giving me my analytics in the back office is looking amazing. Thank you guys, man. Thank you. Y'all here on this YouTube, coming to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all. Also, I know the numbers on my YouTube channel. I told y'all I had some shit going on, and it was an emergency, and I had to go handle it, and I couldn't get on the stream. I have not updated what's below, right? What's happening down below where it says record on stream or whatever, the wins. Well, the win, I didn't put Friday's win on there. The win is 46. We got 46 wins and just that 13 losses, right? Not even losses. We don't lose here, man. We take L's, but they lessons. You feel me? I should put lessons instead of losses. Let's go. Because now we just, okay, Friday was 46, and then today is, today gonna be, 47. So I just need to update the record down below. So yeah, now we're coming up, as you can see, guys, we're coming up on TP1 now, was just hit. So TP1 was just hit. Let me just let the group know. All right, reply. I think I dropped this down in the VIP. Yeah, I dropped it for my VIPs. Okay, so if you're not in the VIP, you should either be on the stream or you should be in VIP. You hear me? So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say code. Hold on, code. Caps. Code TP1 smashed. All right, just letting the group know that the gold TP1 has been hit. And okay, so we're gonna do something right now. All right, I'm looking at this market. I'm seeing how she's filled this insufficiency on the 5-minute here that was sitting here. I had my eye there. I seen it just in market. And how she pushed through it. She's like pushing. I want to see the next candle that comes up in the next 10 seconds. I want to see how that candle comes and see if it'll come and push down some more. All right. So TP1 smashed for the group. We got in at a 24.06 price, and she did hit 24.04. All right. So now we're going to go for 24.02, and we're going to get it right down here, 24.02. Let's see. I'm not ready to go break even just yet because we're not really that close. We're not really that far out just yet. We need to go out a little further out. So we're just getting a new 5-minute candle. Let's see what she do. Feel that slippage. Let's see. Can you come back down? We'll wait. We'll just wait and see, guys. Right now, it's just the patience we need. We just on patience right now. All right, 24.02 was the next price that we're looking for. All right, let's get it.
Why everybody's over here being cool?
Me? No, I'm trying to get the link. I'm not seeing people want the link. I'm trying to get it out. All right, let me get the link out. There we go. I'm gonna also drop the link. Let's see. We'll go ahead and drop this in the group too. So they can you see the live. So if you're in the Telegram group, guys, feel free to check out the updates that we're having in the back office. Okay. But the signal was given out. The signal dropped at 7:41, guys. That was right before stream. Looky there, looky there. Let's go, guys. Let's get the TP2. Let's see how she gets the TP2. Remember, this is a prime example of what I like to see in the market. And this is a prime example of what you should be willing to see in the market. Because check this. Right? Top. Right? Bottom. Right? What side got taken? What, when I say taken, it has to look like this. Did it do it here or down here? It did it up here. We can see it. Boom. X. What's the liquidity side now? Down here, right? Look what they have to do after taking. After they take liquidity, guess what they do? They go to the other side. If I can't express this little pattern enough to y'all, I really can't. Oops. I can't express this enough that this happens all the time in the market. And I see it happening a lot. Okay? This is my favorite setup. When it accumulates like this, this is where most people get hurt the most, right? In accumulation, people buying, selling, buying, selling. They don't even know which way it's going. But once I get taken, right? These guys that's selling most likely were right. They had stop losses up in here, right? They gave these buyers a little bit of money, then they're like, tank, right? So, you know, I'm seeing this happen on a lower time frame. Imagine this happening on a higher time frame, right? Let's see. This would be a big ass move, guys. This move would be big. How much tips did we get? Did they give us right here? They gave us 31 clicks. I mean, 31 clicks isn't bad, guys. 31 clicks ain't bad. We're a little far off right now. Like sitting like right here. They came back, right? So we're still more say in our area of, you know, entry. If you see money and you wanted to take TP1, you could have taken it. If you want to break even, you could do that. I don't think we got news or nothing like that that should make this market go too crazy. But I'm just going to hold it out a little bit. I want to see more push to the downside versus what she's doing now. Because this could actually make her, this type of move without coming this low, could make this market go up higher. So let's just check to see if DXY's price is now moving to the downside. Okay, we got to see if price is moving to the downside on DXY, because that's important. It's really, really important, guys. So that's what I like to look for. But this is a nice setup. I want to see more of this setup on a higher time frame versus the lower time frame, because this can easily get accomplished. They can accomplish this mission very fast. Okay. So I don't know what's happening with the price, but like I said, I just hooked my computers up with my mom at my mom's crib, because I'm over here with her. But you know, things just act differently when you change locations. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so I figured they would move further back up. So these guys are no. This is the DXY. My bad. So DXY is moving up. We should be good on gold. If DXY comes here to the top and try to take these tops, they look like they're aiming for them anyway. Then I'm expecting. I really am expecting gold to tank a little bit more. Right? I would like to see gold tank just a little bit more. Because look how DXY is just like nicely moving to the upside. Right? Creating double top, easy take. They did create some slippage below, which is fine. It happens. But they got a lot going on above. We already seen it. It's just the computers are moving very, very slow. So let's just go back to where we're comfortable on looking at gold. But I'm gonna go ahead and see what's happening. I'm managing this trade a little bit more because I'm watching on my MetaTrader 4, and the MetaTrader 4, even though this trading view is moving slow, my MetaTrader 4 is still moving. All right, it's just this website. So we're back now at break even. All right. Let me see. Can this market come up higher? That's what I want to look for. 15 minutes. And yes, it can come up higher. We already discussed that we have liquidity sitting above. Okay? We have money sitting above. So let's see. If this 15-minute candle engulfs this candle right here, the next candle is most likely going to be a bullish candle to push above, to get above this here, get above this here, getting into insufficiency here, and taking it on up, right? I'm going to call it early. All right. If she comes up and she takes us out at 34 clicks, that is fine. All right. My break even was hit, so it's probably it's getting ready to hit my break even a little bit. Let me see. I told you guys I had a little higher price. Yeah. Is it at my break even price here? All right, so it's back at my initial price, and this is the price that I gave the group right here. So we'll just see. You never know, guys. You just never know. You just gotta wait and see, guys. This is a patient game, and this is not somewhere where we need to think that we need to be perfect. You just need to play your game and let whatever happen. That's what you gotta do. I know some people don't know how to do that, but that's what you gotta do here. You gotta play your game and just let it happen. Don't get scared if you see yourself in a little drawdown. You're gonna have to You're going to have to stomach that. You're going to have to get tougher skin or something. And then you'll know. You know, you got to get hit in order to know what you're doing right and wrong, or to see where market is going to go. You can't just think that everything is going to be perfect in these markets, right? So, yeah, just keep those type of things in mind. That's all I'm saying. That's really all I'm saying. If you want to be a great trader, you're going to have to stomach some things, such as being in drawdown. Drawdown is big. You got to learn to be in drawdown, right? So right now, I'm in a little drawdown and it's fine. And if I am get hit, a small percentage of my account gets taken. I mean, not even 1%. So if that's the case, then I will come back tomorrow and find another position. I'll see what she did, what made me take the trade. It's about what you do after trading, guys. What you do after you're done trading, right? Are you just sitting around moping, thinking about it? Or are you analyzing, going back to figure out what happened? What happened, right? You was trading your trade and then something happened, right? I want to take a look at, if we thinking about something real quick. Oh my God, these guys are gonna blow. All right, let's think about something real quick. DXY is moving up and it's got gold moving up. Euro is moving down and it's got gold moving up. Gold and Euro usually move the same direction, but she's actually moving against us, right? She's actually going up. So now I'm thinking, well, we might not be done with more, say, going to the upside up here, because we don't have an engulfing candle over here. We don't. We do have one right here now. So I'm thinking, all right, well, this might not be the position for sales just yet. She did give us a little sale of 30 something clicks, but she didn't give us the push down. She came back up. But remember also, I said I wanted to get in price, get up in price when she came up. We also know that there's insufficiency sitting here. We see it. I'm telling you, she has to come and tap it or fill it or bust through it. She got to do some of that. But it's about the fact that I'm looking at DXY move up, and I'm looking at Euro move down, and gold is supposed to move down too. Okay? That's all I'm saying, right? If I'm wrong, then go feel this insufficiency, come up here and hit my stop and get me out if I'm wrong. Coming up into my price where I entered at is not enough to say that I'm wrong. Giving me some profits and coming back is not saying I'm wrong, right? I had the right idea right here in this candle. I knew she was dropping. She did just that. In the next candle, she came down and dropped. We already have gotten, 22 there, and I already reached 30. So let's see if the next candle gonna do some damage. I got 32 clicks off of that. I want to see if we're gonna do some damage. If we do damage, then that means that we're going to go up. Look how she just engulfed this candle here. So now that we went up, down, we're going up. So now let's see. We're gonna get a buy on this baby. We're gonna see if we can go long on this baby at 24.08. Let me move this over. This she's getting up in it. Let's go look. Go look how she looks when she get up in it. She's in our insufficiency. 15-minute insufficiency. Let's go 5-minute insufficiency. If price will hurry up, if this computer will hurry up. Because we could get that pop up. You guys, we can get that pop up. Let's see if we want to buy this market up. It has to make sense, and it has to show me. Where load up? Come on. Here we are. We still haven't hit our stop at 34 clicks. She hasn't hit it, but she did do a nice little taking of liquidity here. She took some stuff here. Let's see. We did have this insufficiency in price sitting up here. So this is another reason on why they could come. They made some slippage here. Let's just see. Could we buy here? After, if she comes up to 34, I'm gonna look to see if she has to break above this. I'm looking for the buys now. Thinking to see if we can get these buys going. Maybe we could get the buy. What time is it? 8:47. We usually already have our trade by now, guys. Usually our trade is already in the bag, and we got our trade. Our trade was here, 24:06. So to think that I'm wrong, it has to hit my stop, and I have to think about buying up here, right? But there is insufficiency in price that I see, so I'm kind of like, okay, well, we got insufficiency in price. DXY is moving up. Euro's moving down. There's a little insufficiency here. This could be a reason why they want to come up some, get up in this insufficiency. But they did. They got up in there. They didn't feel it. They tapped it right here. See? But we didn't feel it. So I want to wait and see. But yes, we are in this drawdown. If she comes up here, we're going to be out 34 clicks. It's fine. Make sure you guys also always using proper risk management, guys. Okay? Can't stress that enough. We want to be able to take a lot of trades, not just 1 or 2 trades. If we're wrong on 1 or 2 trades, then that's the account. You know, that's, you know, you're doing too much. But if you're taking a lot of trades and you're wrong, you know, on 1 or 2 trades, you know, you got bigger probability. You got more profits versus your lost profits. So don't go all big and willy-nilly trying to, you know, make a quick bag. Trading is not about making a quick $1 million. It's time. You gotta have the skill. You gotta have the time. You gotta have the patience. You know. So I know, guys. I missed y'all. That's why I'm talking y'all ear off. I missed y'all. I haven't been able to really talk to y'all for days. But here we are. She did get up in this insufficiency in price, so maybe up in this area could be she took these guys, got in the insufficiency, could be a reason why we're coming down. Okay? Could be the reason why we're coming down. All right. So again, like I said, I always know what's above and what's below. Like, I don't want to say that this market is going to go up, guaranteed. No. And I don't want to say it's going down, guaranteed. I just want to watch the price action and see how she do. She is going to show us her hand. They already did. It kind of did. This type of move here and coming down is beautiful for one, but it's showing me a lot. It's telling me a lot. All right. So that's why I'm holding on to this position, and I want to stick with it. I think sometimes we feel like when we're in drawdown, we think we're wrong, and we don't want to stick with our analysis. We're going to stick with this one: win, lose, or draw. Well, I mean, we did get TP1. They grazed. They didn't get TP2 down here at 2402. They grazed it. But that don't mean anything. It doesn't mean that we still can't get it or anything like that. We can, but market would just have to turn around some more for us. You gotta understand how to handle the wins and the profits along with the drawdown. Now we could have easily just took TP1. TP1 was hit and they gave us a little bit more, and they were aiming for TP2. And you could have went break even, but think about it. Look at you would have went break even, and she would have came back and hit you, right? But then what happens when this market comes down and hit TP2? And all you had to do was hold. She wasn't gonna hit our stop. She just was getting into insufficiency in price here. What if she came down and boom, hit TP2, get all the way down here in this insufficiency? We see this shit right here, right? Then guess what? TP3 gets hit and you got out at break even. See, that's why I said, let me hold on a second and not go break even just yet. Not just yet. All right. I want to wait on the break even for right now. I just want to chill on break even. That's why I didn't let nobody know about going break even. Because this market could come down. DXY is moving up. Euro is moving down. It makes sense. I don't want to counter trend against their overall trading direction. That's what I'm saying. I've already had my confirmations happen. My confirmation candle happened. I've had the AMD confirmation happen. Double top, double bottom taken. It's done. So now I'm just waiting. What did I do? I did something. I know I did something. Cause I just moved something. Let me see what I moved. I moved this. I'm trying to take it back. Come on now. Unfreeze. Just give it a moment, guys. It's moving down. Price is already at 24.06. So now I just wanna. All right, there we are. Or did I? Is it right here? Yeah, it was right here. Cause we got in right here. Actually, we got in right here. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. It's a patience game, guys. You're gonna have to use some patience. I have some patience to wait on this move to play out. Anyways, they would have had to come back up and retest up in this area anyway. This is the price that I wanted to look for. Retest up in this area and then fall. Getting below this low, hitting TP2, getting in this insufficient price action right there. That's what I'm waiting on. And that is why I didn't break even. It takes I don't know, a person that's been here for a while to really be able to notice that, whether she can come back up or not. Well, I knew she could because I already told y'all that they come up for insufficiency in price. 9 times out of 10, they would tap back into it. And as you can see, that's what happened. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right. Don't forget that notification bell. Y'all already know, right? Because when I go live, you want to know. All right. So you already know what to do. Also, if you're new, the Telegram group is available. It's free. I don't charge you for it. So don't let nobody tell you that I do charge you for my free Telegram group. I have a paid group, but you got to go through the free Telegram group in order to get to it, right? It's all free, right? But except for the VIP, all right? If you want more trades in VIP, I give out more trades. I give out more analysis. I give, special requests. If you have a request of a chart, you want me to play US 30, you want me to give you a signal off of Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what it is, guys. All right. When you're in VIP, I give you VIP treatment. You feel me? Now, also, you're getting a little VIP treatment in the free group too, because a lot the signals that I do put down in the VIP, there's some of them, not all of them, I do give to the free group. Okay, so y'all can have VIP quality signals. But I feel like I put out a signal, any of my signals are gonna be VIP quality. You feel me? I ain't coming here to put out no crap quality signals. No, I'm here to put out that VIP quality signals. All right. Let's see. Creating insufficiency in price. Look, they created this insufficiency in price. Look at it. It's a prime example right here. Boom. Create it. Get in it. Didn't feel it. Still got more. Got to come down. Look. Insufficiency above. Got to feel it. Didn't feel it. Tapped into it. Didn't feel it. Got to get up in there. So this is where your patience is played with. All right. So let's see what we got above. Let's go to, let's see. We got a little insufficiency sitting here too. That's how we seen this. We see that, but look at this down here. See that? And it's the 1 minute, so these things gonna happen fast. Just imagine this type of setup on an hourly. This would be a lot of pips, hundreds, 500, probably 1,000 pips from here to here. I don't know. If this pattern happened on a 1 hour chart, I'm aiming below. There's some stuff below that I think that we need to cover, and we haven't covered. I want to cover that stuff that's sitting right below. So, this right here. This is what I'm looking right here. There's money there. Let's just see what we get. Your patience is going to pay you here. All right, I was on the man. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Y'all see it. Feeling the insufficiency price on the lower time frame, pushing through it, aiming for that wick below of the previous low. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now, you guys. Now I've seen them do this, come in this area a few times. We're not going to lose this trade. Let's break even. Let's go, guys. Break even. We are at a win. All right. Let me let the group know. We're going to break even now. She gave us the move that we was looking for. It's that fucking easy, guys. Thank you for freaking being here and witnessing this with me. All right. I'm telling you, the way I trade, flawless. Let go. Let me let the group know. Gold TP2 is coming up. Oh, wait. Go break even. I'm just saying break even. Go ahead. go ahead and we could take profits too. If you want, you could take the profits too, because we're sitting up here at 24.6. I'm up here at 24.07, right? So I got some decent. I'll break even at 24.7. If you want to break even at 24.6, you can. You can go ahead and do it. So go ahead and break even at 24.06. Okay, at entry. All right, go ahead and basically move SL to break even, right? We're gonna move SL to break even at 24.06, and we're good. Move SL. Why is it deleting everything? To break even. All right, so we should be good there, guys. We got actually a little bit more of the push that I was looking for. So damn, that's it right there. They got even a little low below that low. So yeah, I mean, this is a win-win no matter what. We shouldn't lose this trade. We're going to hold it and see if this position is going to hold out for us to come down to this liquidity sitting here below. Okay? We want to get down here. We want to get in this area, liquidity area down here. She's already dipped here. We're here. We break even. We're good. Everybody. Oops. Everybody should be good. Either you're at break even or you're in profit right now. Risk-free trade. All right, because we risk-free right now, guys. We are risk-free. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Risk-free trading. I like risk-free trading. I hope you guys like risk-free trading. I like to be risk-free, right? I'm gonna show you, like on the Telegram group. I'm forwarding all of this to the Telegram group, right? So if she comes back up here, guys, we're sitting at break even. This is not a loss, right? But just watching her and seeing how she's moving. She did get below here, right? But I don't think that this is done. I don't think that this little take is enough. You know what's enough? This big ass take. That's enough, right? That's enough. When you think, like, let's say you would bank. Would this little small liquidity be enough, or would this big ass liquidity below, that's sitting below, be enough? This is insufficiency in price, right? Look, here. They're now trying to make their way down here in the distribution stage, right? So that's what I'm thinking. Like, we're not done yet, right? I went ahead and broke even so that we can just go ahead and win. We got our 20 pips back. We got everything back. All right, cool. This is win, right? I don't think that they're done, because we got more of, even though they took this bottom here, this is more of an equal low. So I would have to see, hold on, let me adjust my break even to, I'm gonna take some profits off the table, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna just take some profits off the table, so this way, now I'm not at break even. I'm profits in profits. My stop loss is in profit. Anything is to happen, guys, this is the win trade. Boom. All right. And that's how I want to manage it. That's how I want to manage my this trade right here. But I know some people had got in a little bit like later, 24.06. They got a 24.06 price. I got the 24.07 price. So if does market come back and hit your break even, you're fine, guys. Either start taking some profits right now. Take some profits right now if you feel like market gonna come back and hit your break even. right? Because she did get this little dip. She felt this insufficiency. She did all of that. But she can't come back up. There's insufficiency right here. There's insufficiency sitting right here. I'm sorry, I didn't have it. I wasn't clicking on the screen just yet, so you didn't see my mouse. Insufficiency sitting here. They filled this insufficiency here. We still have this big insufficiency here near TP2 and TP3 at 2404. Okay. I'm looking for them to get deep down in here. Get below here, get here. But, hey, if she comes up, this is where she's trying to get to. There's liquidity sitting there. All right, so let's see. Either you took your profits when I told you to take them, or you went break even when I told you to break even, or you took it upon yourself to hold this trade and just use proper risk. You as a trader have all of these options, okay? You have options, all right? So don't be lagging on your options. All right, so break even with this. So let me let them know. All right, it looks like they're gonna take my profit. Yep, they took me out the trade. I got my profits, everything. Break even was hit for you guys. You guys, looks like it only received like a good, let's see, 31 clicks. So you got 31 clicks twice. You got 20 something here, and you got 31 here. Right? So, I mean, that's pretty good, guys. Now let's see what we can do. Every time they make something new in the market, I'm thinking that they're getting ready to do something else. So let's see. Do I want to? They're still at even. Okay. Well, we're still there. I'm going to take some more profits then. Right? I'm going to get some more. Let's just see. We got up in this insufficiency. I want to see us push more, say, to the downside. There's more insufficiency sitting right here. They didn't get that. But they did dip up in here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Just real fast. Look at that 5 minute. 5 minute looking good too. All right, ain't even gonna lie. 5 minute looking really good. We got these double bottoms sitting right here, right? We got an obvious wick sitting right here. We have insufficiency in price sitting right here. We have order blocks, all that down here. All right. We got a lot going on here in the gold market, so be vigilant. If you wanted to break even, you could have, right? I let it hit me some profits and re-enter, you know, and then just now I'm just gonna ride it, right? Just keep riding it and just keep riding it. All right, so look how they manipulation wick came up and got up in this area and pulled back drastically. Who you think doing this right now? Sellers. The sellers in this market is doing this. So, you know, we could take some more. Did you break even or did you hold it? Right. Hold on. Where is it? what was it? The stop loss was at 30, like 35 or something like that, right? Did you get out at 35 pip, right? Or did you hold it? Was it worth you holding it, or did you get out? What happened? I'm gonna tell you what I did. I was up here at 2407. Market came up. This wick got me in my TP. I mean, my stop loss and profit. Gave me that profits. Guess what I did? I re-entered because I knew she wasn't done with downside movement. Just looking at the 5 minutes, she's not done with downside movement. We have to get back in. We have to get this money. We cannot leave this money on the table. Right? So let's see. I'm gonna have to probably end up going. I entered up here again. I'm gonna have to go. Probably just go break even again. Let's see. Where is it? Where's the price? It's 26. I can't get it. All right, I'm not getting exact price. It's somewhere here. But this is where my stop loss and profit is. Hold on, let me make sure. Take a little bit more profits off. I see it moving. Hey, listen, I'm gonna see money and take money. I hope you're doing the same thing. I hope you see money and I hope you take money when you see money. All right. So yeah, let's do that. We got all week, guys, to trade. We don't have to force anything. We have all week to get comfortable into the trading market and see the fluctuations of the market. We got all week, right? Don't have to rush nothing, right? Okay. Take a little bit more profits. Right here. Let me go look. Make sure that ain't too close. Yeah, I don't want it too close. I want it close, but not too close. Let me just see. Now, I'm in profit, guys. I'm in profit right now. Stop loss is in profit in the trade. Waiting on the sellers to continue to push the market to the downside. Looking at the previous 5 minute manipulation candle that went up, the wick up into that purple box right there. Right here. This area here. Hold on. Can y'all see me? All right. This right here. This push up, and then now we're gonna probably, this was like buy to sell. I'm just waiting now. But again, guys, you must do some account management. You must learn risk management, and you're gonna have to learn it ASAP. I don't even have to take an L. You understand? I don't even know if y'all really get that. You don't gotta take an L. You can I can put more risk out there, right? I can have my risk further out. I can handle a over 100 pip drawdown. I could be 100 pips and drawdown and still handle it. Account can hold it. If your trade cannot stand 100 pip move, then you most likely have too big of a lot size. You need to lower your lot size. Okay? That's what you would need to do. All right. So yeah, right now everything is looking good as far as the downside movement. I'm really wanting downside movement versus upside movement. I do see the upside movement though. I want to say that daily candle on gold, we've already looked. The daily candle has slippage above, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna come up there and get it right away. You gotta be on the lower time frame to see if we're gonna go up and get it. If the lower time frame doesn't give you the price action that's saying we're going up, then damn it, we're not going up. Don't just look at the daily and see insufficiency in price and think, oh, we got to come up and fill it. Let's buy now. No, we gonna have to wait because she got to do something on a lower time frame, and then it has to do a trickle effect, right? It has to go trickle down to or up to the next time frame and the next time frame. You gotta, man, guys, you gotta know that. So you'll see yourself in profit more if you don't chase the market, right? Don't chase the market. Let's just play. Let's just play. Who got all that break even? All right. Updating the group. Let's go. We could be seeing TP2 get hit. Just waiting on TP2. Matter of fact, we didn't push down a lot more. Like literally grabbing 1 minute liquidity, 5 minute liquidity. Yeah, we got down here. Okay. We got into this wick, but we didn't get below this wick. There's obvious wicks in here. I can see that. Then we have more things happening below. I would like to see us come down some more. I'm gonna take off some more profits. Right here, right here. All right, and that's it. And I'm just gonna let her run from here. Let's see if she can. Let's see if we'll get that push. Maybe we'll get that push. She might have to flux a little bit more, but we might get that push. You never know, guys. I wanted to stay here at least until TP2 get hit, but I see that. I mean, also, there's no news today, so we really just was having regular trading, but it didn't mean that we couldn't get no pushes though. We still get pushes with regular trading, without news. The news would just be our excuse, for them to move to certain places. But yeah, I want to stay. Like I said, I want to stay till TP2. TP1 was smashed, and we got like close to like 30 pips already, guys. That's pretty much ball game, really. I'm at break even. Actually, my TP is in front of my break even. Not TP, but my stop loss. My stop loss is sitting right in front of my break even. I'm thinking this market can still continue to the downside and hit this alert, and then let's do another alert at right here. Let's hit these two alerts. The market sees this money and wants this money so bad. I see it. Everybody else in the world see it too. But actually, I just looked over and I just see people like are wanting to sell or something. I mean, or buy. I don't know. I don't care what other traders are doing, to be honest. I got my own way of trading, my own analysis, my own thought frame behind it. When you realize you can do this on your own, guys, I'm gonna tell you, you won't need to pay attention to nobody else but your own trading. Your own trading is what's gonna make or break you. You listening to yourself is what's gonna make or break you. Straight up. Straight up. If you try to go out here and be a copier, then you're not gonna do so well in your trading. I promise you, you're not. I don't care how good of a copier you are. You gotta do trading on your own. On your own. You have to do your own proper analysis. You're gonna have to do, your own thought frame. You're gonna have to battle your own psychology. So yeah, guys. We still waiting. This is I feel Tuesday feel like a Monday. To be honest, I think Tuesday is like a Monday right now because it's moving like so slow. It's moving like a Monday, right? Usually we've been already done TP1, 2. Usually I go live. I'm only on here maybe an hour. You know what I mean? But here I am sitting here with y'all an hour and 22 minutes trying to see if we're going to get TP2, which I only got to see. Try to see. I ain't going to say that because then people going to be like, how the fuck she know, right? She don't really know. Well, I kind of do. I got an edge. I kind of got an edge. I know. This price action, I can see this price action very clear. So, you know what I'm saying? Most likely she will do what I put on the screen. But again, we're gonna have to see. I really got to be a little bit faster with getting my tea and coffee. I might need to hire somebody just to go get my tea and coffee. I'm looking for a personal assistant to just get my tea and coffee in the morning. That's what I want. You know, what do I feel like today? I think I feel like I need some coffee. You know, or some days I might feel like I just need tea. Yes. So we'll sit here. I mean, again, I got time to sit over here with y'all. I ain't got to deal with no baby or no girl, nobody. I'm over here at my mom's house. I'm chilling. I'm taking a major step back break from everything that is not benefiting me in a way where I can have peace of mind. And if it doesn't give me that, then I have to eliminate it and get away from you. So, yeah, I got time to sit here with y'all today. I just want to see TP2 hit. Once TP2 get hit, guys, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. I really wanted to get up in, this is where, okay, we don't need this. Why is it still here? We don't even need that. Look, this is where I wanted to get in at. Right? Here, when it dipped into this insufficiency in price. And then take her down. Instead of right here, it was a little bit traffic zone. That's why this manipulation came up and tapped up in there. Right? But there was a gap, that's why they did that. What tap, reverse, right? tap, bounce off of that, come to the next insufficiency in price, which is where? Here at TP2. Right? Right there at TP2. Just grazing the TP2. Just want to play with our emotions, right? But not really. Because we shouldn't even be having no emotions in this, really. You shouldn't have none. You should just be looking at price action and just waiting on her to hit where we, our areas of interest. That's it. It just needs to be hitting our areas of interest. That's what we're looking for. So if you got back in or if you held or whatever, make sure you're adjusting accordingly, right? Yes, I could have held up in this area, but I had my stop there. I just want to make sure she does her job. All right, cool. Do your job and then continue moving. That's all. That's what I saw. Okay, cool. Bet. Let's get it. Let's just check on DXY real quick. If it lets us. Look at that. What did I say, guys? DXY is moving up. So gold will naturally have to move down. Right? Because DXY is moving up. So, all right. So DXY goes in this way. Gold is doing this now, right? Come on, slow computer. All right. So gold is moving down, right? While DXY is going up. What does that tell you? Right? That's how gold is supposed to be moving. If she's not moving like that along with the DXY, then somebody's lying on the counter trend. But again, okay, I don't know what's happening with the computer. What's going on? Give me that. All right. So she's actually moving a little bit away from it. Just okay. Did she get down? No, she didn't get in this insufficiency in price, so still waiting on that. Still waiting on her to come back down here to this insufficiency in price. Okay, so she can come back up a little bit. Still seeing all of this down here, guys. Let's just stick around a little bit longer to see if maybe she comes back up into this area. And the 15-minute, as you can see on the 15-minute, it's pretty clear. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty clear on the 15-minute. As far as price action. If you look down below that, you can see this order block sitting here. And then you got this down here too. Right? Let's look anymore, but it's that insufficiency that's sitting here. Right, that I would like for her to tap down into. What the hell? All right. We're gonna have to have some patience and let this thing play out, guys. I'm just looking for the TP2. You know, sometimes, there we go. There we go. There we go, baby. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. We got it. TP2 smash, guys. Nice, nice, nice fucking move, guys. Nice move, guys. Oh yeah, let me take some profits real quick, and I'm gonna update the group, let them know. I'm gonna take this off the table. Boom. All right, let's let the group know what's really good. TP2 got hit, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at us. We finally got into this insufficiency in price, right? We got our TP2 smashed. TP1 got hit, TP2 got smashed. Listen, our stop loss was never hit. We never got up to 35 pips. Never. Right? The setup was there. I seen it on the 5-minute. I trusted the setup. I believe in the setup. I looked for the bias on whether if my setup was wrong, just in case, that I would be looking for buys up here. That never happened. We got TP2. That's what happened. Who with me, y'all? Who with me? I'm glad you guys are witnessing this. I'm so happy that y'all are here to see this. And yeah, just keep coming back and making profits with me. Keep coming back and making shmoneys with me. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna put this link into the group so that the Telegram group can see what's popping too. All right. I want everybody to see what's happening. Paste that. I'm gonna share you guys the Telegram. I mean not Telegram, but the trading view chart. I'm gonna just share the chart with y'all. There you go. Didn't I say I wanted her to get down in here into this insufficiency in price? All right. This is what I wanted. This. See that. See that. See them keep doing that. Right? Everybody else was thinking to buy. I'm thinking, nah. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Why? I see order blocks. I see insufficiency in price sitting below. Yeah, there's a lot going on above, but if the 5-minute there was a setup on the 5-minute. The 5-minute already showed that she was getting ready to turn around. She showed the reversal. Exactly everything I was needing and looking for. Let's go, baby. Let's go, y'all. Y'all did that. I'm gonna be honest, man. Y'all real MVPs here on this channel. For real. If I could give y'all 5 stars, I would. Every last one of y'all that's viewing my channel right now, I appreciate every last one of y'all. Oh, I didn't know I was writing in caps. Hold on. I was writing in caps. Do y'all see that nice drop? Even my keyboard is a little stuck. Like me typing, it takes forever for me to type. All right. 6 squad. 6 squad. 6 squad. Let's go, 6 squad. Let's go, 6 squad. Let's go. 6 squad. Let's get it. All right. We looking for TP3. Smash, baby. Let's go. Let's get this shmoneys. Let's get this shmoneys. Let's get this shmoneys. Y'all see it. You hear live. Go. TP3. Smashed. Let's get it. Oh, dang, I need it in all caps. I write in all caps on here because I mean it when I say it. Go. TP3. Smash. We talked about this. We walked this down, top down analysis, walked it down. So you guys can see the mindset behind it. We've already hit our TP3. I'm getting ready to put stop loss in a little bit more profit at TP2, probably most likely, or TP1. I'm already at TP1. If I move to TP2, that's a little too close. I say TP1. Just letting her fluctuate at TP1 should be good enough. And that's it, guys. You see that she's already completed our P&L. Let's go, baby. She's done it. That's all we needed. That's it. That's what I needed right there. Okay. Now, guys, I can leave you guys here. All right. Make sure you join in my Telegram group so that you can get these notifications that I notify everybody on. All right. Thank you for coming to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, guys. All right. I'm here to give you guys a bunch of nuggets and help you out as much as I possibly can with trading. Okay. And you come here, you're gonna get money with me, and we're gonna make some good moves here, guys. All right. So that's pretty much it. But that was nice, and it was worth the wait too. It was worth the wait. This P&L was worth the wait. You guys, you got well over 58 clicks. Right? Now, from here, what do? Manage your trade. Move your stop. Grab some liquidity. Take some partials. Do whatever you got to do. Just don't lose money. All right? But that's it. That's all I got for y'all today. Y'all here. Y'all came. You saw. And we conquered. So thank you for coming to my channel. That's pretty much all I got for you today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. All right, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you're here to get some shmoneys with me. All right, it's been a pleasure. Okay, y'all enjoy the rest of your day. One love, peace. Mo Diesel out.